ensure that pupils, wherever they're doing their learning, has equal access and the chance to engage in digital competency and digital learning. That's why we've developed our hub login digital learning platform, available to every single child and practitioner. That gives them access to wonderful, wonderful resources.
Erbyn hyn, gyda'r fframwaith cymhwysedd digidol, mae sgiliau digidol yr un mor bwysig a sgiliau llythrennedd a rhifedd. Mae'n bwysig yn yr unfed ganrif ar hugain yn bod ni yn rhoi cyfle i'r disgyblion feithrin i sgiliau digidol cyn gadael yr ysgol, fel eu bod nhw yn barod ar gyfer byd gwaith.
Mae sgiliau digidol yn hanfodol ar gyfer datblygu iaith a llaferydd, oherwydd yma yn cyfnod sylfaen ac yn ysgol Bryn Tabor mae gen i llawer o blant sydd yn dod o gartrefi di-Gymraeg a mae apiau fel Adobe Fideo yn galluogi plant i ddefnyddio lleisiau ar gyfer datblygu sgiliau lleferydd ac yn ogystal mae'n galluogi iddyn nhw ysgrifennu a datblygu eu syniadau mewn modd creadigol.
So the partnership consists of us rolling out Adobe Spark to every single student and teacher across primary and secondary schools in Wales. We turned the platform, the Adobe Spark web platform, into Welsh as well as English for them to support their needs. And then we built on top of that with the Adobe Education Exchange, making sure that they got access to lesson plans and development guides for their teachers.
Well, the partnership with Adobe has been particularly successful in ensuring that Wales becomes the first nation where all of our children and young people and our practitioners have access to Adobe Spark applications. And the feedback from professionals has been really, really spectacular. And even more importantly, the feedback from children and young people to have access to these resources has been fantastic.
Fod o'n cool I ddefnyddio, a mae'n hawdd I ddefnyddio, a mae hynna'n peth dda.
Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n rili da a dwi'n mwynhau defnyddio fo achos mae'n hawdd I ddefnyddio. Ac da chi'n gorfod rhannu fo efo ffrindiau, teulu, beth bynnag da chi isio a mae'n ffordd da bod chi'n gallu gwneud o ar yr technoleg Adobe Spark.
Diolch yn blant, diolch yn just plaen. Da chi'n gallu expressio'ch hunan efo lliwiau a bob dim eraill.
Well, I'm hopeful that we can continue to develop the strong relationship we already have with Adobe and look to see what other opportunities may be available for our education system working alongside them. And crucially, as I said, not just making product available to children and young people, but working with our professionals so that they have the skills to really exploit that to its fullest extent.
It's probably one of the best things we've done all year, to put the platform in the hands of 530,000 people across an entire country. It's the first time that's ever been done to get Adobe Spark rolled out nationwide. We always love to see students and teachers, blossom and develop, but when you get the opportunity of doing it on this scale, nothing beats that.